Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. I'm so excited for this unboxing video for Accio's March box, and the reason is, spoilers, if you don't want to hear, you might want to skip ahead a little bit or something, but you've probably already heard or seen what it is. Anyways, I have my book cover design in here for book one, and I'm going to be designing a cover for every single box all the way up until September to cover every single book. And my plan is to make it look like you have a Hogwarts library sitting in your bookshelf, but they're actually the Harry Potter books. It's going to be really cool. But before I get into this unboxing, I actually made a pretty big mistake. I didn't have the hardback Sorcerer's Stone book, which is what this cover is for, and it's for the first American edition, I believe. So I ordered one from Amazon, and that's not it. I got the wrong one. This is like the hardback large print edition or something, and it doesn't have a dust sleeve. It's not the right size. So if you're trying to get one, it's not this one from Amazon. Your best bet is to go on eBay and find one used. That's what I did, but it's gonna take a while to get to me. I went to my local library and I found one, so I can actually put the cover on this one during this video. So we'll still be able to see what it looks like. However, yeah, I don't know. With this one, I don't even need it because I've got that other one coming and I have this soft cover. So I don't know, maybe I'll give this one away. Maybe I'll design like a special cover just for this one and give it away on my channel. We'll see. But anyways, if you do like my videos, make sure that you subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, share this video. It really does help out and it's very much appreciated. Without any further ado though, let's get the March box opened. First of all, with the box, if you've seen any of my other unboxings or if you get this box, the packaging is a bit different and I like it. All this and the logo and everything used to be on just a strip of brown tape, but now it's actually printed on the box and I like that. It makes it look just a lot nicer, even though it's a small touch. I do like it. So here we go. Let's see what we've got. Open this up. We've got the yellow tissue paper for Hufflepuff, of course, because I am a Hufflepuff. So let's get this open. I'm not going to look. I'm just going to grab the shirt because I can feel it. It's been a couple of months since they had a shirt, maybe 1 or 2 months. I can't remember. They had other items in there, other wearable things, but yeah, I just really love getting the shirt. So let's see what it says. Oh, it's black and oh man, their shirts. Accio is the best subscription box for Harry Potter for shirts because they always have really cool shirts, but then they're so soft. They're such better quality than any other box that I've gotten. And it has the Hogwarts letter and it says still waiting on it. I like this. I don't have a shirt like this and it feels nice and soft. I can't wait to wear this one. So yeah, great job on that. Let's see what's next. I have a letter from Gringotts Bank. Uh-oh, I know what this is. I just did a fan mail opening just recently, and I think I already have one of these. This is a Gringotts Bank card. Yes, and it's pretty much very similar to what I got in my fan mail letter, only it has the golden seal right here, the golden G for Gringotts. But some of this stuff in the fan mail letter that he sent me was actually in gold. So that was a really cool touch. Yeah, I mean, everything other than the packaging looks just like it did in my fan mail video. So it has the golden wax seal, really cool. It has the G over here logo for the Gringotts Bank. And actually that was in gold in my fan mail video, but I understand why they can't do it all in gold in this box. There's just way too many to send out. This was also in gold. And if we open it up, yep, there we go. There is the bank card, and you get a little letter with it, and you can go to the website and register your card, I believe. Very, very cool. I actually really love this, so I'm happy to have 2 of them. I actually may include one in a giveaway at some point, since I have 2. But yeah, there we go. Gringotts Bank card. Awesome thing to get. All right, let's see what else we have in here. Okay, that's a sticker, okay. Better be Hufflepuff. So this is a sorting sticker. It has the sorting hat on it, and it tells you, it basically sorts you into your house. And of course, mine says Hufflepuff. And it feels really nice. This is really good quality. It's not a cheap sticker at all. Another really cool item. So far, I've liked everything in this box. It's been pretty much awesome. And I believe I know what this one is. Let's see. Yes, I definitely know what this one is. I believe this is my book cover. So let's save that one for last, or close to last. I just want to see what else is in here that I don't know about. We've got a key with wings pin. That's cool. Haven't seen one like that before. Very, very cool. Next up in the box, we have another cloth item. And this seems pretty large. It looks like it might be a banner. It is. It is definitely a banner. Oh, and it's a banner of the Mirror of Erised. That's pretty cool. Let's set that plastic aside. And there we go. Again, everything in Accio Box is like really good quality. So if you're looking for quality items, Accio Box is what you want. Another awesome item. So far, I mean, everything in here has been really cool. This is like one of the best Accio boxes I've gotten so far. Let's see. Okay, yeah, the only thing left in there is the cheat sheet. So let's get this book cover open. So it comes rolled up in this little roll here. And again, the book covers are exclusive to Accio Box. I'm not going to be releasing them on my channel. They have the exclusive rights to distribute these. So I know they're going to have a couple extra that they're selling after the fact. So they'll sell a few individual ones, but that'll be a very limited supply. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, oh, that looks so good. And it feels nice and very professional. And as you can see, it's all in like gold. Oh man, this is really cool. I feel like people are gonna be really happy with this. So let's go ahead and put this on the book and see what it looks like. I think it's gonna be amazing. Again, this is from the library, so it's got like this cover that I can't take off, but I'm just gonna put it over the top and see how it looks. So when you want, if you have this and you wanna know how to get it on there right, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I figured, I'll show you anyways. Basically right here where the design meets this like kind of marbled paper texture, that's where it needs to wrap inside the book. There we go. And then it should just wrap around the book. And we can do the same thing on the other side. This is so cool. Take a look at this. It looks like a book from the Hogwarts library. That is so cool. This book is, like I said, it's from the library, so it's got a lot of wear and tear on it. It's a little bent on the side. So it's going to look much better on the book that I get because it won't be so wonky on the spine there. But wow, this looks really good. I'm super impressed. Super excited to see that. Everything in this box was extremely amazing. I loved it all. Again, I already had the Gringotts card, but I mean, that's cool because I can give this away to somebody. So let's take a look at the cheat sheet, which is always really cool because it looks like the Daily Prophet. So the Still Waiting Super Soft Tee was designed in-house by Accio, just for Accio subscribers. The Flying Key Enamel Pin was designed by fandomflairepins.com. On the other side, we have the Mirror of Erised display banner, and this was also designed in-house by Accio Box. The Gringotts bank card, which, like I said, I already got one in fan mail from this person, was designed by Jordan Alft. You can find those cards, the Gringotts cards, at etsy.com/shop/Zine by I'll leave a link in the description box as well to that. The sorting sticker was designed by Christina, the CEO of Accio. Very good job on that. I loved the sticker. And of course, the Book of Spells was designed by yours truly. And if I had to pick 2 items that were my favorite, I mean, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I think the book cover is one of them because this turned out so good. And then the shirt would be my second. If I didn't already have a Gringotts bank card though, that would probably be my second favorite. So I guess I'll have three. The Gringotts bank card, the book cover, and the shirt. You can use my discount code Muggle Magic, no spaces, all caps, and that will get you 15% off your first box in a month-to-month subscription. If you'd like to see more Harry Potter related videos like other unboxings, I do Geek Gear and Accio Box mainly. I'm also doing wand unboxings. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. And again, like this video, share this video, it really helps out the channel. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.